Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and what I want to do here is concretely define the difference between provisioning, deployment, and orchestration. Now, in practice, sometimes these have overlapping responsibilities, so you might say provisioning when you really mean deployment, or vice versa. It's not a big deal. We all get kind of mixed up about it, but I did want to just take the time to make sure that we understand what these things are supposed to mean, okay? So the first on our list here is provisioning. So to prepare a server with systems, data, and software, and to make it ready for network operation. If you're using a configuration management tool, you are most likely provisioning because that's what these tools do. So Puppet, Ansible, Chef, Bash scripts, PowerShell, or CloudInit, so you can provision a server. When you launch a cloud service and configure it, you are provisioning it, okay? Then you have deployment. So deployment is the act of delivering a version of your application to run a provisioned server. Deployment could be performed via AWS Code Pipeline, Harness, which is a third-party deployment tool, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Circle CI. There's a lot more other providers out there. Then you have orchestration. So orchestration is the act of coordinating multiple systems or services. Orchestration is a common term when working with microservices, containers, and Kubernetes. So orchestration could be done with Kubernetes, Salt, or Fabric. So if you're working with containers, generally, like you use the word orchestration, especially with Kubernetes, because you're working with thousands of microservices, okay? So, hopefully that helps you know the difference between those three. Again, it's not a big deal if you don't perfectly know them, but there you go.